Okay, we have a Kitamura vertical machining center. This is a Mycenter 3Xg Sparkchanger, serial number 70691, new in 2015. This machine has a built-in rotary pallet changer. We're going to run it for you. Excuse the roof work we're having done, but here we go. So right now, you can see you have a Kitamura aromatic MI control. This control is Kitamura, spelled backwards, by the way. Machine has a 15,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. Running at 2,500. Machine's very quiet, goes up to 15,000 RPM. 5,000. 7,500. You might want to show that on the control. Hold on. See that big screen? You have 16.1 by 34 inch tables or pallets. 9,000 RPM. You have 30 inches of X travel, 17.9 of Y, and 18.1 of Z. Going to do it. You have a 30 ATC or 30 tool capacity. You're going to see the pallet change, switch around. Let's run the axes around. That's your X. Your Y, and your Z. So you've seen the 3 axes go, you've seen the pallet change, you saw the tool change, you've heard the spindle go. Hey, you might want to see the front, maybe come around here. Can you open the door, the front door too? Yep. That's the front door, the other pallet, and that's your whole deal. Thank you for watching our video.